Hello, I'm teaching how to make a t-shirt quilt. The first thing you'll need to do is take about 12 to 15 t-shirts. Make sure they're clean if they've been worn, and if they're new, you're going to press them and you're going to put interfacing on there. It's called Pellon interfacing. The number is 911FF, and it's fusible featherweight for light to medium fabrics that goes onto the back of your t-shirt piece to stabilize it to put into a quilt. So what that Pellon does is it firms up the fabric that's kind of flimsy, makes it uh, durable enough to be put into a quilt. So the first thing you do is buy about 15 yards of this. It costs about $2 to $3 a yard. 15 yards of this Pellon interfacing. Next thing you do, you should take your t-shirt. You don't want to press over this part. So with your first t-shirt, you're going to turn it over. You're going to press out the wrinkles on the front by pressing the back, which will go through to the front and make it flat and wrinkle free. Because what you're doing is making a quilt block out of your t-shirt. So after you've pressed it, then what the next thing you'll do, you're gonna cut off those sleeves. Save them. You save everything, but you put it to the side. You're gonna cut off the sleeves because, like I said, what you're doing is making your t-shirt into a quilt square. You can make it anywhere from a 15-inch, 12-inch, or a 20-inch block. Okay, after you cut off the sleeves, you're going to go up the sides because you're using the front of the t-shirt. There's nothing on the back of this one. So we're going to use the front, save the back, and I'll tell you why later, why you save the back. So I'll cut up both sides. That side done. Then we'll do this side. And then you're going to go across the top, the neckline. And what you do is you cut across right there where that seam is. Because you may have to extend it out to make the block the size you need at the top. Because you're going to center the square, the quilt square. Okay, then you're left with the front. Now, there's still some wrinkles in this. So the reason why I say save the back, you don't want to press over this because it can smear that print. So you take the back of your t-shirt and use it as like a liner. And so you press over the front by putting the back over it. The steam will go through to the front of the t-shirt, which will smooth out the wrinkles. Okay. So that smooths it out real flat, which is what you want. Then you have your pre-cut Pellon interfacing. It's got a bumpy side, which is the side you're going to put to the back of the t-shirt, and has a smooth side. This stuff is not easy to press over, so again, you're going to turn your t-shirt over, because you got to get that Pellon on there to stiffen up your t-shirt. Because again, you're making your t-shirt into a quilt square. So then you take your Pellon, cut up, already pre-cut. That's what I did. I took my yards of Pellon and pre-cut them into like 20-inch squares. Okay, get it up there. And then, because that stuff is sticky on both sides, then iron will use the back of the t-shirt and you press over it. And that, the sticky bumpy side goes to the back of the t-shirt. The smooth side is on the top. Then you put the back of your t-shirt over the whole piece, because what you're doing is you're using it as a barrier to protect the t-shirt, but it also helps you with placing the interfacing on there. Okay, so we'll take this off, and see that's stuck on there. It's smooth, and then you turn it over, and you've got a stiffened t-shirt that you can cut into a square, and you place it into your quilt. And I'll show you the results after I cut them into squares, 15, 20 inch squares, and then I put the border in between there, the sashing, which is about 3 to 4 inches wide, and we'll have a quilt in no time. Thank you.